Thought I'd post something specifically on this movement, how to remove the crown and the stem to get the movement out of the watch. This is the Seiko 7006A movement. It differs to the one other movement I've done, which had a little point to depress, which I would assume was that point there again, to take it out, but it wasn't. Thanks to EDC Gunner in his Seiko 57009 movement removal, that's how I got it. So I thought I'd post this to save other people working on this type a bit of time. First step is to get the crown out as fully as it can go. Then you can see a little lever has exposed itself down deeper in the encasement. So it's a matter of getting a small tool to depress that lever. And while doing that, you can get the crown out gently. And there it is. To put it back in, it's just a gentle push. Might need a bit of a wiggle, and then you're in, and it's fine.